Alright, so hopefully this video won't be too long. I'm going to show you, just kind of walk you through everything except for the independent practice at the last couple of slides. So fill in sales tax and discount activity, fill in the gray and colored text boxes with your answers. Also, I should have written round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. So I forgot to include that in the directions, but just like it's talking about money, you always round to the nearest hundredth, okay? Back here. So this is just the menu page. You're going to have to come back to see what or how much each cookie costs, and then you might need to know some of these definitions. I mean, everything is laid out here for you. You just kind of have to use what you know or use what you're given to you. According to this, costs $1.49 times chocolate chip cookie costs $9. To see, okay, tie-dye costs $1. S'mores cookie $1.49. Okay. So for finding the total cost of the bill, it tells you exactly what to do. Step 1, multiply the number of each cookie by the cost of each cookie. You're buying 2 s'mores cookies, and a s'mores cookie, so I filled in $1.49. You do 2 times $1.49, I got $2.98. Similar for the chocolate chip, you have 3 chocolate chips, 9 cents, so 99 cents. 3 times 99 cents is $2.97. For tie-dye, you look 29, fill in 129. 1 times 129 is 129. Step 2 is add up the cost of each type of cookie. You know the s'mores cookies cost $2.98. You figured out the chocolate chip cookies cost $2.97, and then you figure out the tie-dye cookies cost $1.29. So add all those up, and you should get $7.24. Make sure you put that in this part too. $7.24. Okay. Judging from here was step 2 is finding the amount of discount. So step 1 of this part is changing the percent decimal to a percent. To do this, you divide the percent by 100. You don't use your percent key in the calculator. I never taught you how to do that. I know some of you know how to do that. That's fine, but you can't type in 10% divided by 100. You have to type in 10 divided by 100. That gives you your percent, or your percent as a decimal is 0.1. Okay. Step 2 is multiply the decimal you got, so 0.1, by the total cost of the items. Well, the total cost of the item is 24, so we should fill that in again. So 0.1 times 724, you should get 0.724. The 4 tells you to leave the 2 alone. You get 72 cents. Make sure you fill that in here as well. The 72 cents represents your amount of discount, meaning how much money is being taken off of your bill, not how much money you're paying. So 72 cents is the amount of discount. Now we're going to find the sale price, which is how much you'd pay after the discount. I'm going to fill this in. $7.24, 72 cents. Now the only step here is to subtract your total cost. See, total cost, $7.24, by the amount of discount. Discount, 0.72. You should get $6.52. Again, you're just subtracting the two numbers you found. $7.24 minus 72 cents. You should get $6.52. Hold on. Back up a second. This is your sale price. This is how much you are paying without tax added, but after your discount is applied. So $6.52. And this was $6. So you have to pay sales tax. Now we're going to add the sales tax onto it. So finding the amount of tax, similar here, change the decimal to a percent, divide by 100. You should get 0.08. Step 2, multiply the decimal by the total cost of these items. That should say sale price. I fixed it for anyone who hasn't logged on yet, but it should say sale price. So 0.08 is what our decimal was, and the sale price was, I don't remember, let's see. This was $7.24. This was 72 cents. 72. So 0.08 times 652, because that is the sale price. It's listed right here. Multiplying it by the sale price, you should get 0.5216, but we're going to round that. So that ends up, the 1 tells you to leave it alone. You end up with 0.52 or 52 cents. Again, this is not how much you're paying, because that would be ridiculous. You are paying extra in sales tax. So the tax is 8%. You're paying 52 cents in tax. This is the amount of tax. A lot of you guys misunderstood that last week, which is why I wanted to continue to go over this. You're not paying 1.06 or 1.08, whatever you guys came up with last week. You have to find the percent of the sale price. So 52 cents is how much you're paying in tax. Finding the final cost, including the tax. I'm going to just take a minute and fill these in. You guys should just be retyping them in each time. Okay, so I just filled it in. Again, you're just retyping everything in. 7.24, 72 cents, 6.52, and 52 cents. So final cost, including the tax. So this is your final cost. Let's add the amount of tax, which is what we have here. Amount of tax, 0.52 cents or 52 cents, to the sale price. Sale price was 6.52. So 52 cents plus 6.52, you should get $7.04. So you get a final cost of $7.04 for all of those cookies. Okay, so this walks you through step by step. Hopefully this video helps some of you. So this is what you are doing. You are calculating the missing amounts for each order and typing them in. I will do order number 1 just so you guys are aware of what should be done. And you have another example in video. I'll talk about that after. So order 1, 5 s'mores cookies. So you have to look, okay, how much does the s'mores cookies cost? So 5 s'mores cookies, you have to multiply that by $1.49. You should get $7.45. Go look at how much a fudge brownie costs. It costs $1.19. You're multiplying it just by 1, which obviously we get $1.19. Now we look at how much a Fruit Loop cookie costs. You get $1.19 again, so $1.19 times 2. You get $2.38. Okay, so we have how much all of the cookies cost separately, but you need to figure out how much they cost in all. So you should be adding all of those up. If you add them up correctly, you should get $11.02. Okay, so again, all I did was I figured out how much each of the cookie costs, multiply it by how many they're getting of each cookie, and then I added these 3 numbers up. So $11.02. Now let's start to apply the percentages. So for discount, we have a 10% discount. Let's change that to a percent. You divide 10 by 100, you should get 0.1. From there, you multiply that by the total cost, $11.02. You should get $1.10. That's how much you're getting off of your price. That's the amount of discount. From here, we subtract $11.02 minus $1.10 to get our sale price. You get $9.92. That is how much you'd pay without tax. We're going to now do tax. So 8 divided by 100, you get 0.08. We're now multiplying that by what we got here, $9.92. You should get 79 cents. So you're paying 79 cents in tax. Not paying 79 cents, you're paying 79 cents in tax. You're going to add that to your sale price. So 79 cents plus $9.92 for a final cost of $10.71. Okay, yes, this is a lot of work, but you need to know how to do it. This is a very, very, very essential and crucial skill that you need to have, not just for 7th grade, for 8th grade, all the way up for the rest of your life, but mainly just for real life. Tax, discount, you got to be able to figure it out. Okay, so do this for yourself. Order 2, similar. You can use this as an example. And then the last 2, you get to pick what types of cookies you want. So you just double click and you type in which items you want, figure out exactly what we did before, the cost of each one, add them up, find the discount, sale price, etc. If you need help, please let me know. Hopefully this video helps some of you. I was live today at 11, but obviously it's past 11 now when I'm posting this. So a lot of you missed it. I'll be live 11 on Wednesday and Friday as well if anybody needs more help with this. Or you can just email me and say, Miss Isham, I need help. Please, can you start a Google Meet with me? Absolutely. All right, good luck.